How does collaboration leverage AI to revolutionize semiconductor manufacturing and testing?
We have a unique opportunity here because we have partnered with two different companies who have excellent ability to be able to apply analytics to real-world situations, and particularly in the AI and ML space. And now we can take those analytics and put them in our real-time data infrastructure so that we can apply them virtually any point in the manufacturing and test flows in order to be able to leverage those capabilities to make far better decisions with our products for quality, for reliability. We have collaboratively developed this solution we call Dynamic Parametric Test, or DPT. And with Dynamic Parametric Test, we can instantiate a set of rules. And those can apply to every device in a particular process technology or every set of programs in a particular family of devices. And then you can apply these rules that says, if I detect a particular anomalous condition, I'm going to respond in the following way. And that way I've got all the information right then and there to go off and send back to the people that are going to do root cause analysis so you can eliminate the anomaly before it really impacts